Hello, and welcome to my sourdough series. Today I am making sourdough bagels. I am starting with about 150 grams of an active sourdough starter. If you would like to see how to make your own starter, let me know in the comments. I need to add about 250 grams of warm water to the starter and mix until the starter is dissolved. I also need 500 grams of bread flour. And 20 grams of sugar. As well as 12 grams of salt. I will mix everything together and knead the dough until there is no dry flour remaining. I will cover with a damp towel and allow to rest for 1 hour. It's time to start the first stretch and folds. The dough should be relaxed and soft. This will allow for stretching. Now I need to give the dough another 30-minute rest. I will do 4 sets of stretch and folds. Notice after each resting period, the dough will be smoother and begin to rise a little more as the starter is building bubbles into the dough. Now it will need a second rest. It doesn't really show on camera, but I'm able to see small bubbles within the dough at this stage. The speed of this rising will depend on your home temperature. My house is usually between 70 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll let it rest for the third time. It's looking beautiful. If I see the dough struggling to rise, I will place it in the oven with the oven light on during the resting periods. This will allow the starter to be more active in forming the bubbles. Now that I'm finished with the stretch and folds, the dough will need time to bulk ferment, anywhere from 6 to 8 hours. This will be the time for the rising to continue until the dough is double in size. It's perfect. Now I need to cut and shape into bagels. I am cutting the dough into 8 pieces. You can weigh each piece so they will be the same size, but here I am just measuring by eye. First, I will shape each piece into a small ball. And then I form the bagel shape. I will cover and let these rest for about 15 minutes while I prepare my water on the stove. I need to bring my water to a simmer and add 2 tablespoons of honey. I will place the bagels in the water a few at a time. Allow to simmer for 30 seconds, then flip them over to simmer another 30 seconds and remove from the water. Now they're ready to bake, 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, they look amazing. Leave me a comment of what you think. I hope you try the recipe and let me know how yours turn out.